शिक्षक गणों ने हमारे जीवन में ज्ञान के इतने रस घोले हैं कि इनका आभार व्यक्त करना कोई सरल कार्य नहीं, परंतु मैं इन दो पंक्तियों से इनका आभार व्यक्त करने का एक छोटा सा प्रयास करना चाहता हूँ। जिसे देता है ये जहाँ सम्मान, जो करता है देशों का निर्माण, जो बनाता है एक इंसान को इंसान, जिसे करते हैं सभी प्रणाम, जिसकी छाया में मिलता ज्ञान, जो कराए सही दिशा की पहचान, वो है हमारे गुरु। हमारे गुरु को शत शत प्रणाम।
Mother, father, mentor, nurse. Each day, a teacher plays all of these roles, looking out at the sea of the students. Faces are trusting, scared, apathetic, and eager, looking out at the sea of these students.
A teacher sees the possibility in every child before he even sees it in himself. Teachers show us each day what it means to turn passion into life's work, to charge each student with the task of making a better tomorrow. Because it's not always about having the right answers, it's also about asking the right questions.
Although the bell may ring, teachers never stop thinking of ways to motivate and inspire, never stop trying to spark curiosity, hope, and the idea that with hard work, anything is possible. A teacher can take the raw material of human experience and inspire greatness.
Shake loose dreams and change lives. If nothing good can be done in this world without first instilling hope and confidence in an individual, then we only have teachers to thank for our greatest achievements. Take the time to thank a teacher today.
There is a language art teacher who take a week and give up a lunch period, those blessed 26 minutes to scarf down a meal in order to help a student to learn how to read, and although his progress is slow, this boy would become a reader, and it's just because of a teacher.
There's a math teacher who will have a room full of kids who claim that they're just not good at math. By the end of the year, his kids will be geeking out over ways to solve complex problems. They'll see that math can be creative and even fun, and they will become problem solvers because of a teacher.
Then there comes a science teacher who will inspire her students to chase after their questions, and on one afternoon they will be so excited about their experiments that they won't even notice the bell ring, and they will become scientists because of a teacher.
There are history teachers who will inspire students to record history, and a group of PE teachers who will encourage kids to get more active. There are technology teachers who will help kids send their word to the world, and fine arts teacher who will help kids find their creative voice.
And there is this teacher, librarian, who will see the students as children and not data. He's creating a makerspace while also inspiring kids to fall in love with reading. And they will become lifelong learners because of a teacher.
A very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Today, on the occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Vishakha of 12th A, is here to recite a self-composed poem. Teachers are the ocean of knowledge. They are the best part of our life, be it a school or college. They play so many roles for us. Sometimes a teacher, sometimes a friend, and sometimes a mentor who keeps us away from the fuss. But we often forget to thank them, our supporters who hold our fragile stem, the ones who help us grow more and more, the ones who help us learn and score, the ones who never ask for a return, the ones who are beautiful than the rings of Saturn. We are really sorry for all our mistakes, and we thank you for all you have done for our sake. Thank you for all the pain you take, and thank you for teaching us without a break. Thank you, teachers. Thank you for making us worthy creatures.
One thing that we all forgot to mention is that even during the pandemic, you all stood strong and found creative ways to teach a student. We all are going to miss each and every teacher from nursery to class 12. We will miss all your care and support throughout the 12 years of schooling. I wholeheartedly wish all of the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day 2020.